Crypto.com to $1 by the end of 2020? Oh yeah, boys, I'm calling it. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 serious reasons why I personally believe we could potentially see a $1 CRO Crypto.com altcoin by the end of 2020.
You can still enjoy this one.
Use the bilateral.
What is good, folks, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Zombie Investor, the channel where we all know no matter how many times Bitcoin gets sent to the grave, it always finds a way to claw its way back to life. If you're watching this video out there today and you like crypto, you like investing, you like improving your wealth mindset, then make sure you do give a thumbs up and like the video. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. If you're new around here, what's up? My name is Earl, hope all is good. And whilst you're there, you might as well just hit the little notification bell as well to be notified when new videos do drop out. If you've been following this channel for a little while now, you will know how bullish I am on CRO and how bullish I am on the Crypto.com company as a business in general. Anybody out there can say whatever they like, but at the end of the day, I have been making some serious passive income gains from Crypto.com through the awesome features that it does offer. That all being said, however, these videos are never financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research, do your own due diligence before investing in anything. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, always be ready and prepared to invest only what you can afford to lose. Let's all now take a look at the 3 fundamental reasons why I believe CRO is going to pump and continue pumping for the rest of 2020. Guys, have a look at this chart. We are on the Crypto.com and Tether USD chart at the moment. It's the daily chart. If we go and have a look here down on the bottom here, 13th of March 2020, we were at a price of 2 cents per CRO. Let's fast forward 4 months into the future to today's price. It is currently the 8th of July 2020. We are basically pushing through 14 cents and we have a 50% off Bitcoin syndicate which has just passed, and then the following week we are going to be having an algo syndicate on the 14th of July, which is definitely going to pump that price further up. Guys, you don't have to be a genius, you don't have to be a technical analyst, professional whiz, whatever you want to call it, to work out that this is an absolutely beautiful, steady chart, okay? We've had some minor corrections here in June, some minor corrections here later on in the later part of June, but since then we have rebounded hard and we have soared through. Obviously, there's going to be a bit of a resistance here up at around 15 cents, which CRO will need to break. If we can break that resistance level, I honestly do believe we will crush that price and get to a potential of 20 to 24 cents in and around November. And then if we do ride the slipstream of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency bullish momentum for the rest of the year, if that does come within the next 6 months, which I certainly reckon that it will, we could very much be potentially seeing an easy $1 CRO by the end of 2020. What I like about this chart is not just simply the fact that it is in a nice steady uptrend. I like the reason behind it. It is due to Crypto.com. This is not just purely built on speculation. You've got to understand this is all based around the business model and the successful business model, I should say, of Crypto.com. You've got things like the 20% interest on CRO staked on their exchange for a minimum lockdown period of 6 months paid out each day. People are locking away their CRO in order to get the 20% interest per day, as well as get more returns when they do enter into these regular syndicates, which have been on an average of every 2 to 3 weeks, which is absolutely awesome. There are also awesome benefits on the app itself, great interest rates, and it just makes sense. If you are in the cryptocurrency space and you are not at least, or you have not at least got 1 foot in the door with Crypto.com, I honestly need to ask you the question why, because it is worth having even just a 5 to 10% stake in this company, seriously. And if you are involved in Crypto.com, then it just doesn't make any sense not to be holding a significant amount of worth in Crypto.com, not taking advantage of the stakes and not just taking advantage of the benefits of CRO in general. These are the reasons that hold the price of CRO intact and will continue to keep it growing. There is utility. The word is utility behind holding CRO, okay? There's discounts in the pay section, discounts in mobile top-up, and it's just ongoing, okay? It is purely ongoing. Their marketing is fantastic. And before I go on any more in this video, I just want to say I'm not in any way sponsored by Crypto.com. I'm in the early stages of my YouTube channel, but I'm simply just an average guy that has been able to make some seriously awesome passive income gains from CRO, so I just want to share that with you. Then elaborating on the final point, which I did go over briefly in point number 1, is the fact that there is bullish momentum developing. It is snowballing very, very quickly, and if you are not aware of this, then you need to go on YouTube and watch me as well as some other YouTubers to find out. If we look here, we have the Robert Kiyosaki at the Real Kiyosaki on his Twitter page here. This man is absolutely renowned for being one of the best financial investors of our time, and he is just absolutely crazy about Bitcoin. He is going absolutely crazy. If we look at just one of his tweets here, people say, do what you love. It is also important to invest in what you love. I do not love stocks. I do not love stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Of course he doesn't. If you love them, invest in them. I have loved real estate ever since I was 9, gold and silver since I was 25, and look folks, today I love Bitcoin. What do you love? Okay, retweeted 2,000 times, 8.5k likes. Guys, this is just one of his posts, okay? He posts all the time about Bitcoin, okay? What does it mean? Mainstream adoption. Traditional investors that respect the man are going to be considering getting into Bitcoin. If we take this a whole step further, Paul Tudor Jones, multi-billionaire, decides to start investing in Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, ladies and gentlemen. Paul Tudor Jones is heavily renowned on Wall Street, and again, just further ingrains the pure trust that he has in Bitcoin. This will cause and continue to cause a knock-on effect. And if that was not enough for you already, PayPal reportedly to offer direct crypto sales. Now, I do want to say that this was posted on the 22nd of June 2020. It is not yet confirmed, but if it does go ahead, the fintech giant, which has 325 million customers, will allow this feature for those who want new wallet functionality on the app and popular service. So people essentially may be able to hold Bitcoin on a digital wallet through PayPal. People trust PayPal. PayPal trusts Bitcoin. People will start to trust Bitcoin. The bulls are here. Yet another article here from Australia Post in Australia, of course. Now lets customers pay for Bitcoin at over 3,500 outlets. This is absolutely bullish. For anyone who thinks that Australia is anti-crypto, well, the post office, you can trust the post office. I mean, who doesn't trust the post office? That's like the place you go to send your mail. You trust them, okay? If the post office is allowing you to buy some Bitcoin, then I'm pretty sure people are going to start buying Bitcoin. I mean, seriously, this is an article from CoinDesk, and it was just from the 26th of June. And just to top it off, have a look here. Bitcoin ATMs in the United States currently sits at 6,548, with all 7-Elevens across the United States all having the ability to buy Bitcoin from these Bitcoin ATMs. Alabama, Birmingham, Florence, Homewood. I mean, come on. We got the US, we got UK, we got Australia, Singapore, other parts of Asia, India. What more bullish news do you need? Guys, at the end of the day, people will do and say whatever they want, but the facts are facts, and if you don't have some money invested in CRO and Crypto.com, you are missing a trip to the moon. For those of you that are not invested in Crypto.com yet and you don't have a Ruby Red card or above, I would highly recommend you pick one up. It's easy to get started. I will leave an affiliate link in the description of this video at the bottom. If you want to get into that, you can click on my affiliate link. That will lead you directly to the app. And when you do sign up with my affiliate link and get your Ruby Red card or above, you will get a free $50 US worth of crypto that you can start using straight away, and you will be able to start investing in CRO and taking use of the awesome benefits. So what do you think about Crypto.com? Do you think it's going to zero, or do you think we're going to see some potential all-time highs by the end of this year? Make sure you do tell me the answer in the comment section below. And if you've got any other questions about cryptocurrency, investing, and wealth mindset, please do feel free to get in touch. I'm more than happy to lend a helping hand. And if you did enjoy the content today and you do just want to give a little bit back to me, make sure you do leave a like on the video. If you're new around here, all is good with you, I hope. Do subscribe to the channel, and to make sure you are notified when new videos do drop out onto the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell so you do know. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Peace out until next time.